Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, they lied about every fucking thing they ever told you. You already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time, and I'm ready to get into it, so let's do that right now. Every detail of how they started in their career, how they grew up as a child, what that last relationship or marriage really looked like, how come they have so many broken relationships with friends, co-workers, business partners, how come they get so upset about small shit, what kind of life they were living before you, how many times they've been betrayed or let down in their past, how much money they have, what their financial background is. Everything was a fucking lie. And I'm not talking about the kind of lie you tell when you first meet someone and don't delve into details because this shit is new. Nah, I'm talking about complete fabrications they done made up in they rabbit ass mind. See, we don't truly get to see how coercive, deceptive, and dangerous a narcissist truly is until we are months or years in. Until the stories from the beginning both do and don't make sense anymore. And they do make sense because of how inconsistent they become later on. How the details never quite added up. How the names and the dates seem to change all the time. But they don't make sense because they're dumb as fuck. Now you're questioning yourself like, how did I ever even believe this shit in the first place? But this is how narcissists are bred. This started long before you. This dates back to their childhood. The very first time they lied and got away with it. When they were able to convince their parent, friend, teacher, school counselor, or judge that they were the victim. When they lied, it became a life's choice that by any means necessary, however adamant they needed to be, they damn sure ain't taking no accountability because they could convince anybody of anything. So by the time they make it to us, shit, they're seasoned professionals. And covert narcissists, the ones who can hide this shit for years at a time, oh, they're the worst. See, because we believe we are good at judging character, we pride ourselves on being empathetic, but also bullshit detectors, don't we? But what happens when you run into an immovable force of an asshole that you now love deeply, but they play victim or superhero? Somebody who took months or years to really reveal those deceptive ass ways. Somebody whose breadcrumbs of hope show how they can change one day, but then same shit, different toilet the next. Now we're placed in a position to choose us. You know, the one thing we aren't used to because we got so conditioned to tend to their needs. The needs of friends, family, those that depend on us most. Oh, but that's not your job, little moccasin. You know, to be everything to everybody else but nothing to yourself. You deserve the same rest, love, patience, grace, forgiveness, and empathy too, don't you? You deserve somebody who's gonna make you feel safe in a relationship, who tells you what you need to know and not what you want to hear, but can be respectful when they do it. You deserve somebody who doesn't have to lie or manipulate to get what they want from you, who doesn't try to intentionally gaslight you every damn day by telling you that you're misremembering or you misheard some shit that you know damn well that you heard. This is the narcissist's job, to lie, double down on the lie, and then be so fucking adamant, so confident and sure that you are tripping, that you in fact believe you are fucking tripping. But you never were. You just didn't want to accept it in that moment, that someone who loved you could ever be this fucking devious, disrespectful, and diabolical. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.